I was really curious about FabFitFun because I see people posting about it, so this is a good way to kind of get that like little taste of it without actually getting yourself a subscription. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the FabFitFun starter box for you guys. Someone who already has a subscription to FabFitFun receives codes for a starter box that you could send to people for their first box to try. So I was sent one of those codes, and basically all it is, you have to pay for shipping. So it's $5 US, which is like 7 Canadian dollars. So I just paid that and I got this box, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what's in it. It's actually a pretty decent size, as you could tell. For a starter box, not bad. Got a magazine. It always comes with this little FabFitFun magazine. I think it just has like some products they have. Yeah, they're top rated products. The first thing, I got this body lotion. It's the brand Levito, inspired by nature. Interesting. It's a pretty good size. It's not like a little starter size, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna smell it. It smells really good. Yeah, it smells like very citrusy, like just like orange. It's good. Also got this little necklace, which is really cute. Etika from Los Angeles, California. It's 18 karat gold plated. So you can't wear this in the shower, obviously, because it's not real gold, but it's actually very cute. I could see myself wearing this. Okay, it's cute. It's like really not that long, which I really like from necklaces. Powerfully effective naturals, rose, hip, and lotus. Firming sleep mask. Firmer look and feel. It's from Wish. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let's see it. Oh, it's a very good size. It's like pretty big. Oh, I just put my whole finger in. It smells really good. This is what it looks like inside. It's just like a sleep mask. That's cool. One of my favorites is this Yumi Kim little makeup bag. So it looks like this. It's basically a travel kit for like all your toiletries, your makeup. It has this gold zipper. Woo! Okay, so it has this like hanger thing. You could hang it, but it's a pretty good size. The thing I like about this is that you could fold it and it's not like you're crushing everything, because a lot of these things when you fold them you're kind of crushing it together, but this, it just like stacks on top of each other, so that's really nice. This is gonna be very useful for traveling. I think this is my favorite thing in the box. You can like hang it. And look, it's so cute. It looks like a little briefcase. That's so cute. I'm really excited about this. And that's it. That's what we have in the starter box. All of this for 8 Canadian dollars is definitely worth it. Just keep your eye open if anyone has links to boxes. I wish I had a link to give you guys, but I don't. But I just kind of want to show you what's in the box. Thanks guys for watching. So let me know in the comments if you want to see anything else, us unboxing, trying anything. Please, we would love to know what you want to see us try. And don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching. Bye!